How to delete notes from the Viber app. Hey everyone, welcome back to your Digital Friend channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete notes from the Viber app. If you're using Viber to keep track of important information or jot down quick thoughts, you might find that over time, your notes can pile up. Knowing how to clean up and delete unnecessary notes can help you keep your app clutter-free and organized. So, let's jump right in and learn how to manage your Viber notes. First, open the Viber app. Then open My Notes. If you want to delete an item, long press on it. In the window, click on Delete. Confirm that you want to delete the message by clicking Delete again. And the item is deleted. Another way to delete items is to click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then press Select Messages. After that, select the messages you want to delete. Finally, click on the trash bin in the bottom left corner. Press Delete in the window. And the items will soon disappear. I hope this video was helpful. For more tips and tricks, follow the channel.